What's going on? Jen McKinnon here, and I'm back with another Trends Roundup from Envato. Today, I'm talking about what's trending in mock-up design, and all the links to the featured items can be found in the description below. Let's go! Shadow overlays are very much in vogue this year, leaning on hyper-realism by mimicking the latest style of product photography. While generally more stylized for mock-ups, like you see here in this post by Creative Invention Studio, the shadow overlay trend tips its hat to the relaxed, lo-fi photography style showcased by many Instagram influencers, particularly in the realm of skincare and beauty. The shadows instantly add depth to flat lay compositions to create a natural look, which appeals to the modern viewer's thirst for authenticity. To get a similar look, check out this nude branding mock-up by Genetic96, an easy-to-use Photoshop mock-up template that allows you to simply copy and paste your brand design into the placeholder and, hey presto, you've got yourself a mock-up with a moody shadow overlay. For more items like this, check out the Shadow Overlay Mock-up collection linked in the description below. Authenticity, realism, and DIY characteristics have really staked a claim in design this year. We cover this style in our Instagram trends piece, which you can access via the link below. Popularised by the suspended, rotating motion used in tech commercials to show off new physical product features, the floating object mock-up trend blends naturalism with the surreal to draw the viewer in. Giving the object a sense of movement as if captured mid-motion, this trending style can be used for everything from skincare products, like this one by LA-based designer Christy Stevens, to beverages, like this one for Surf Coffee. You can find floating object mock-ups for all kinds of things on Envato Elements, like this portrait business card mock-up by Doc Queen. We've gathered a bunch of our favourites to help get you started, and you can find the link to the collection in the description below. Isometric angles are by no means new, but they're back in 2020, and showing no signs of disappearing. They add depth to otherwise flat devices or paper products to create a more realistic scene with a clean finish. Google pairs isometric angles with Bauhaus-inspired design to create the look and feel for this campaign for the Google Pixel 4. And Samsung partners isometric angles with the previous trend, floating objects, in this TVC for the Galaxy Note 10. This Photoshop mock-up template by VizconBiz gives a sleek look to any smartphone-based design and can be found and downloaded for easy customization on the Envato Elements website. For more just like this, check out the collection linked in the description below. Abstract 3D objects are playful, whimsical, and fun, and can help tell a story or add excitement to your design. This Go Case image by Sweetie & Co. is a prime example of how this trend can highlight the shapes, colours, or textures used in your design. To add interest to your design mock-ups with abstract 3D objects, check out this one by Tito and more weird and wacky layouts available on Envato Elements in our curated collection below. Isometric angles, abstract art, and 3D design styles are also trending in illustration this year, so head to the link below to see how these trends extend beyond mock-ups. The next trend is, again, not new. In fact, you could say it's repeating itself. Repetition is a popular way to showcase smaller design pieces like business cards or postcards with a stronger visual impact, especially when coupled with isometric angles or stacking, like you see in this example by Ira Artaravna, a German graphic designer. For the same effect, try out this business card mock-ups pack by Bulbfish from Envato Elements. It comes with 10 photorealistic PSD mock-up templates, including perspective and top view layouts, and customizable side colours and backgrounds. For more like this, check out the collection linked in the description below. The next trend is colour blocking backgrounds. As you can see in these examples from Middle Boop Studios, using bold contrasting colours can help your product stand out, creating sharp lines between your design and the background. The most popular way is to use one colour for the floor and one for the wall, instantly giving your scene dimension, which you can see in full effect in this image that also uses the floating object trend we looked at earlier. You can also pick out the colour highlights of your design and use those as your block colours to create cohesion within the mock-up scene. To make your mock-up pop, try this pack of Branding Mock-up Essentials Volume 3 by Genetic 96. It comes with 7 PSD files that are fully colour customizable. You can download that and the other items linked in the collection below from Envato Elements. Distressed and textured mock-ups have really only emerged recently as an anti-luxe grunge alternative to the more sleek and refined mock-up designs we've seen in previous trends. These mock-ups are realistic to the point of exposing flaws like rips, crinkles and folds, giving a rebellious vibe to your design. They can also feature textured overlays like plastic wrap, as seen in these examples by Gianmarco Zanol. This style is particularly popular in the music industry for posters, stickers and records, like you can see in this vinyl record mock-up template by Bulbfish over on Envato Elements. It includes fully customizable ultra-high-res files for Photoshop users, and the option to render as PNG files with transparent backgrounds. You can find this and other gritty mock-up templates in the curated collection linked in the description below. And for more on rebellion in design, check out our graphic design trends piece that covers design styles that break the rules. The link to that can also be found below. Video mock-ups are also hugely popular at the moment. Motion is notoriously eye-catching, and adding it to your mock-ups can help to draw the viewer in. Often used in the tech industry, video mock-ups enable you to present your products or designs in a fluid and flexible way, like this advertisement for Bluer, an app for Facebook. For a similar look, check out this app promo video template for After Effects by Million Frames that showcases designs on the iPhone 11 Pro Max device. With clean, contemporary design, smooth animations, and crisp transitions, this template features 40 media placeholders and 23 editable text layers. This item is available to download from our Envato Elements library, and for more video mock-up templates, head to the collection linked in the description. You can also check out our roundup of the 10 best video mock-ups for After Effects 2020 for more ideas and templates to get you started. But if you're looking for an alternative that doesn't require video editing software, head straight to Placeit. From smart devices to hoodies, flyers to billboards, you'll find a video mock-up perfect for your design. Finally, if you're keen to learn more about video, be sure to take a look at our 2020 video trends piece. I'll drop that link in the description below too. That does it for the mock-up trends we've seen in 2020. Don't forget to like this video below so we know to keep producing more content like this, and subscribe to the Envato YouTube channel to keep up to date with the latest content. Have your say and tell us what trends you'd like us to profile next in the comments below, and hit the Envato blog for more trends and tips. But if you're keen to stick around here for a while, click the thumbnail on screen now to watch another one of our videos. See you next time!